Hello everyone. This riser valve for my sprinkler in the front yard is broken, it's cracked, and we will replace it today with a new Rainbird riser valve. The white item is a 3/4 T connector. It is called a riser valve. It will pop up like this. This is the ground level, and when the water pressure is on, it will go up like this, and the spray will come out here. We will use a different cutter. This is a tubing cutter, and we could use it to cut this tubing here like this. But we could also use a wire cutter. This is a wire cutter. We could put it like this, and we use it to cut it like that. And these are the replacement part. For now I'm gonna put a cap on it and not to put this, because I'm gonna put it later. And this is the Rainbird riser valve, and this is the replacement cap that will go like this. This one would go here, and then this one would go here, and then this one would go here, and riser. It is now ready to attach the short pipe to complete this connection right here. Now we're gonna connect the little pipe. Water pump plier to tighten it like this. And now we're going to put a Teflon tape on a pipe like this. You turn it clockwise, so when you tighten any connection, when you turn clockwise, it doesn't unravel the Teflon tape you just put on. You follow the turn of the thread like this. Like that. That's a sample. That's a cap to stop the water from flowing. So that's how you put the connection. Then you turn it clockwise out. You push it back in like that. We're gonna put the Rainbird and hand tighten only. That's it. And then we just push it back down Right there, it's finished. Enjoy your labor, and you did it all by yourself. And follow my instruction, and you could repair a lot of sprinklers in your front and backyard. Enjoy your work. Aloha. Now it's working good. And this is where you adjust the spray pattern. 6 inches, 1 foot, or 15 inches. By this little screw over here in the center, that's where you adjust the spray pattern. How far from here you go out. So this is your adjustment. And don't forget to adjust this depending on how much water you want to spray out. Now it's working good. They call it a riser because it rises up like this. So when the pressure is on, it will sprinkle like that, and you will see it come out from the ground. And when the pressure is off, it will drop down like this. Watch it. There. And the ground level is up to here. The ground will be covering the rest of this valve. This is what they call the riser valve. So now you know what a riser valve. You could clean the surrounding, and you could replace the leaking pipes or hoses. This is the main line. This is the main line. This is the T connection. This is the 90-degree elbow. This is a short 6-inch PVC pipe, and this is another angle, 90-degree angle, and you tighten this clockwise. This is the riser, and this is the riser mechanism that goes up about 6 inches and spray all over here. That's it, we're done. Thank you all for watching the video until the end, and please don't forget to click like button, subscribe button, and please share it with your families and friends. Aloha! Mabuhay! Salamat po sa inyong lahat. Dakal pong salamat kay kayo ngang nenalbekeng video. Muchísimas gracias to all of my amigos all over the world. Marami pong salamat king Angeles City, king Porac, king Manila, king Spain, king America, all over the world. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share it and click the like button. Thank you and good night. I'll see you again very soon.